Supercharge Your PET Reading, Mastering Comprehension Strategies. Hello everyone. Welcome to another exciting episode on English language learning. Today, we are diving deep into the reading comprehension strategies, specifically designed for the B1 preliminary PET exam. Reading might seem challenging, but with the right strategies, you can excel at it. Let's learn how to boost your reading skills and ace that test. Reading comprehension isn't just about reading words. It's about understanding the meaning behind those words. Imagine reading a recipe. It's not just about the ingredients but also about how to mix them and what to expect as a result. Similarly, when preparing for the PET exam, it's essential to know not just the words, but their context and significance. Reading without a plan is like navigating a maze without a map. Strategies help us to decode the information, prioritize what's important, and recall the content effectively during the exam. It's not about reading fast but reading smart. 1. Skim and scan. Before diving deep, quickly skim the text to get a general idea. Look out for headlines, bolded words, and the first sentence of every paragraph. Then, scan for specific details when answering questions. 2. Highlight key points. If the exam allows, underline or highlight names, dates, or any relevant information. It's easier to find them when answering questions. 3. Predict content. Before reading a paragraph, try to predict what it might be about based on the title or introductory sentence. This helps in focusing and understanding the main idea. 4. Ask questions. While reading, constantly ask yourself questions like, "What's the main idea?" or "What's the author's perspective?" This keeps you engaged. 5. Break down difficult sentences. If you stumble upon a challenging sentence, break it down. Look at each part separately and then try to piece the meaning together. 6. Summarize. After finishing a section, pause and summarize what you've read in your own words. This reinforces understanding and memory. Reading comprehension isn't just about knowing the strategies but also being aware of potential pitfalls. Here are some. 1. Avoid overthinking. Sometimes, the simplest answer is the correct one. Don't overanalyze. 2. Time management. Remember, it's a timed test. Allocate specific minutes to each section and stick to it. 3. Trust your gut. Often, your first instinct or answer is the right one. Don't second-guess yourself too much. And that's a wrap on reading comprehension strategies for the B1 preliminary PET exam. Remember, practice makes perfect. The more you practice these strategies, the more natural they'll become. We hope this video has been enlightening and wish you all the best in your preparation. Until next time, happy reading and happy learning.